What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to use Soundboard on Roblox VC or voice chat. So, using a soundboard in Roblox here is really easy. You don't need those fancy tech or fancy electronics or fancy soundboards or actual soundboards here in order for you to use it or add soundboards to your mic. So, first things first is you want to install a very specific app here, which in this case is going to be VoiceMod. So, you want to go to voicemod.net here. Just go and click on download for free at the top right here. And in this case, it will ask you to create your account. Now, if you haven't created your account yet, it will ask you, or you will need to create your account. So you can use your Google account or any other accounts out there, or your email address. But once you've done that, you should see the VoiceMod installer now in your PC. Now, you want to go and run that. But once you have this running, you should be able to see this pop up here. Now, personally speaking here, I am using VoiceMod here for a lot of my games. But if you go to the soundboard section here, if you click on soundboard, you now have the option to start adding whatever soundboard or sound that you want to use for your account. You can go and click on plus button here, and you should be able to add different soundboards here, like even like voice changers if you want to. Now, again, there's going to be a lot here. Go and choose one, or you go and set this up. But once you've set up your soundboard here, added all the sound effects, all the voice changers that you want to use, what you need to do is you want to go to your settings next. Now you want to go to your settings at the left side here. Now for the input section here, you may want to use your microphone here, whichever microphone you're currently using. Now for the output, you can go and choose your speaker or your headset here. So you can go and just choose one that you would like to use. But once you've done that, you are now going to use VoiceMod here as our sound in to our voice chat in Roblox here. Now obviously it is required, again, you put or you choose the right microphone here in order for this to work. So let's go and go to our game here. So I have voice chat. So you want to go to the top left here, you have the Roblox icon. You want to go to your settings section top here, and you want to go ahead and look for the option for input or voice input or sound input here. So you have input device. So by default, it's actually set to my headset's microphone. So you want to look for something similar to, in this case, VoiceMod. So in this case, VoiceMod virtual audio device here. You want to make sure that you've selected that. But once you've selected that, you want to go ahead and make sure that you also set the volume quite high here. So in this case, so that you can hear other people. But yeah, you can go and just adjust that. But once you've done that and go back in here and just unmute yourself, you should now be able to start using your soundboard here. Now, by the way, just to give you some idea, you could also set some keys into your soundboard instead of you just pressing the actual soundboard here in order for it to play. As you can see, when you hover it, you have the option to play it. But you could go to the add keybind here. So like, for example, you could set like 1 in your keyboard so that the specific sound will be played in your game. But that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.